Hey everyone, Danish here from Dan Talks, and if you saw my previous video, you know I'm in Barcelona for MWC with Honor. We've just got back from the launch event for the Magic 6 Pro. Lots and lots of stuff. If you saw my previous video, there was the Magic 6, the laptop, and a bunch more. But right now I have with me the Honor Magic 6 Pro, so let's get unboxing. All right, let's jump right into it. This is the Honor Magic 6 Pro. Inside we have the device, which we'll come back to in a second. Here we've got a little case. I'm actually a little surprised to see this silly TPU case. They gave a much better case with the Magic V2, but that is what it is. SIM eject tool and no documentation. Great, I guess. We have here Type-C to Type-A cable, as always. I have no idea why these cables haven't moved to Type-C to Type-C. And here we have a 100-watt charger. Well, at least some sort of upgrade. All right, let's come to the phone. So here we have it. Let me just open that, and here. So this is, well, as you can see, not for sale, because these are the units that we get for review. But this is that leather option, the vegan one, and there's a nice little design on the back here. That's cool. This is the camera setup. So we've got the 50 megapixel wide and ultra wide and the 180 megapixel telephoto, which I will definitely be testing out. The material looks great. It looks really, really nice. I like it. The phone is nice and fat thanks to that 5600 milliamp battery. I guess can't really complain. Still, these phones still have an IR blaster for some reason, which, okay then. All right, so let's jump into this display. So here we've got the Full HD Plus display. Looks pretty decent according to me. Looks nice, standard stuff, nothing out of the ordinary. Let's check out the inside. So on the inside, we've got Magic OS. So this is wrong because this is a unit that hasn't been updated for us right now. But the phone comes with Magic OS 14. It comes with 12 GB of RAM, 512 GB of storage, and a lot more. All right, so that was a really quick unboxing of the Honor Magic 6 Pro. What did you guys think of the device? Physically, I don't think it's that bad. I like it. The display looks okay. The cameras, I definitely want to check out. The battery life, I definitely want to know more about that giant 5600 milliamp battery. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. And most importantly, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.